In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Firewall on Avast free antivirus. If for one reason or the other you want to turn off the Firewall, then the first thing you need to do is to tap on your Avast free antivirus, and then it will open to this page. From here, tap on protection and click on it. Then this will open up protection features that you have on Avast, and look for Firewall, and here it is. Tap on it, and now you can see the Firewall setting is on. To turn it off, all you need to do is to toggle this, and then you're given options here on when it should be turned back. So you can choose to turn it back after 10 minutes. If you want to do it temporarily, just choose 10 minutes. But if you want more options, you can choose the more options here, and then choose how long you want it to be turned on in the background. So you can either choose 1 hour, 5 hours, or until I restart my PC, and finally you can choose until I turn it on. So if you want to turn it on manually, go ahead and choose until I turn it on again, and this will go ahead and turn it off. So that's how you turn off Firewall on Avast free antivirus. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.